Hi everyone, Nick Smith here. Welcome to this tech tip on lighting reality. The topic we're going to cover today is energy calculations, and you need to make sure that your energy box is ticked within the middle toolbar, so that when we optimize the design, it will then work out the energy that is consumed by that fitting at the same time. Now, when the Luminaire dialog box is opened and we go through and optimize the whole folder, the power density and annual energy consumption indicator are calculated at the same time. There's lots of options, so I'm going to leave this calculating, but there's a couple of other things that we need to consider on here. The wattage that is changing within this value here, we read that from the photometric file, so that's where that value comes from. If you have the additional row checked and you've got a luminaire used in that, then that will read into that again. It will read the value from the photometric file. The parasitic power is if you have a photocell fitted, a CMS node, or other type of device that is drawing power from the calculation, then you can include that as well. And the burning hours of 4,100, that is the default value that goes into the program. But obviously you can go look up the value from the Alexon website unless you know what the particular burning hours are. 4,100 is approximately a burning hours for I believe that's about a 70 lux photocell, burning it throughout the hours of darkness without any dimming regimes and so on. So that's where that particular value comes from. So I'm just going to stop it there. So as with, we can sort this by flux, we can sort it by optimum spacing, but we can also look at the power density as well and sort it by the power density. So in theory, the value that has the lowest power density is the better solution. What I tend to do is I will look for a particular spacing that I'm looking for, so there might be a specific value that I'm more inclined to go with, and then it may be that the power density allows you to make a more informed decision as to the one to use. So I would probably go with that one. It's got a very slightly lower power density value of power density is watts per lux per square meter, whereas the annual energy consumption indicator is kilowatt hours per meter squared. Obviously those values are derived from the spacing, the width of the road that we know, the light level that we've calculated, and we can calculate both of those values based on luminance or illuminance. So that's a quick overview of the energy calculations. If you have questions, please drop us an email to support@lightingreality.com. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up on in the video below. Helps us with our rankings within Google and within YouTube, and other search engines are available, of course. If you want to follow us, please follow us on Twitter @lightingreality on Twitter or LinkedIn. Please search for Lighting Reality and follow us on there. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you or seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.